Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share this channel with someone else you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 74. If we look at this row, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 7, 4, 7. That means our 6 has to be here. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 1 here. So 2, 5, 8, 1 and 8 here, so 2, 5, 1 and 8 here, 5 here. That makes this our 2, 5, 8, 1. For this row now, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 9, 9 here, so 4, 7. That means the only place our 9 can be in that row is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 3 and 4 here, so this is our 2. I don't see any other help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, 8, and 9. We've got the 8 here and the 6 here, so 3, 9. 9 and 6 here, so 3, 8. 9 covering both of these boxes, 8 here, so 3, 6. And just the 9 here, so 3, 6, 8. But now if we look, the only place our 9 can be is here. Right. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 2 here, 3 and 6 here, so this is our 5. 3 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 1. 5 here makes this our 7, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 3, up, and we've got a 3 there. So this is our 2. That 3 makes this our 9, 3. For this row now we're missing 3 and 4. I don't see any help, so 3, 4. For this box we're missing 5, 7, and 8. And we have an 8 here, so 5, 7. 8 here, 5 here, so that makes this our 7, 5, 8. That 7 makes this our 4, 7, 4. That 7 makes this our 1, 7. That 8 makes this our 3, 6, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got a 2 and 7 here, so that makes this our 5, 7 here, so 2, 7. That 4 makes this our 3, 4, 3. For this box now, we're just missing a 2. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got the 1 here, so 2, 1. For this column, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. And to finish out this box, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.